Good morning, Primary 3. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine at home. This week we are going to learn about another Satwa Tantri. Okay, the title of Satwa Tantri that we are going to practice this week is Siap Salam. Okay, Siap Salam. This is Siap Salam and her children. So ada ketuturan satwa Siap Salam ngalah pianak pepitu. Once upon a time, there was a hen named Siap Salam that had 7 chicks or 7 children. Ane paling cerike tusing ngalah bulu madan idoglagan. The smallest one named Idoglagan, who did not have any feathers. Sawai-wai Siap Salam ngale amah nganti kepdauh pangkunge. Every day, Siap Salam and her children went to hunt for food until across the river or hills. Sedak dina anu, ritat kala Siap Salam teken panak-panak ngale amah, dauh pangkunge, lantas langit te ngeruduk nyihna yang lakar hujan. So one day, while hunting for food, the clouds went dark and it will be rain. Siap Salam said, yen jani iraga mulih, pedas iraga ujanan. Toleh ento adene idoglagan, ia tusing ngalah bulu. Yen ia ujanan, pepes bisa mati. Keto Siap Salam mau rahan teken pianak-pianak ne. So basically, Siap Salam told her children that they could not go home because if they went home at that time and they went under the rain, Doglagan will be really wet and die. Imengkuok, it's a cat, told Siap Salam to stay at his house first. And then Siap Salam agreed because she thought of her children. At the night, she couldn't fall asleep. She heard that Mengkuok talking to his children that they would eat her and her children. Ningah tutur Mengkuoke panak pianakne buka keto lantas Siap Salam nundunin pianak-pianakne ngorin pianakne megedi. So hearing Mengkuok with his bad idea, then Siap Salam woke her children and asked her children to go. Lantas seka besek pianak Siap Salame mekebar ngecosin pangkung. One by one, her children flew away from Mengkuok's place. Jani enu Siap Salam teken idoglagan, dogen ditu rumahne Mengkuok. And now it was only Siap Salam and Doglagan left at Mengkuok's house. Siap Salam lantas mebesan teken idoglagan apang medaya. Then Siap Salam told idoglagan to have or to make a trick to trick Mengkuok. So Mengkuok ningalin idoglagan pedidine ditu lantas nagih ngamah idoglagan. Mengkuok saw idoglagan alone there and suddenly wanted to eat idoglagan at that time. But idoglagan told Mengkuok to take care of him first. So then one day when idoglagan grow up, Mengkuok will get a bigger meat for himself. Now Idoglagan had feathered and grown bigger after Mengkuok took care of him. Then Mengkuok was busy preparing and took Idoglagan to be eaten. Idoglagan told Mengkuok once again to toss him to the air 3 times before Mengkuok eat Idoglagan. After 3 times, Idoglagan flew away leaving Mengkuok. So, keto upa anake ane demen mabikas corah. It means that's the karma for someone who was bad to others. Iraga mangda setata medaya upaya yening nepukin unduke lan ngelawan sane mabikas sile. So we should have trick to fight for bad person who want to do something bad for us.